Alright, I wanted to go over something today that I think is one of the most useful, delicious things. Whenever I have family gatherings or a nice chicken, mash, veg dinner, anything like that, always make way too many mashed potatoes, which is a good thing. There's always leftover mashed potatoes. Today I'm going to show you the best thing you can do with those. That's making mashed potato pancakes for breakfast any time of day or night. They are so good. And it literally consists of leftover mashed potatoes. Get your griddle nice and hot. Throw some oil down. Take your thing of leftover mashed potatoes. Form a nice little patty, just like a little pancake. Throw it down. Make sure these are refrigerated for a good night. Oh yeah. And just cover your griddle. However many mashed potatoes, however much mashed potatoes you have left over, turn them into pancakes. Now, I usually make my mashed potatoes pretty thick, so it always just kind of works out as is. But if you have slightly runnier mashed potatoes, you can try adding a little bit of flour in the mixture to thicken them up. That has worked for me before in the past. Now you can eat these with breakfast instead of home fries, or you can make these into little like baked potato crisp pancakes and throw some cheese and chives and sour cream on top. That's also really good. And it just transforms your old mashed potatoes into something entirely new and absolutely delicious. I would say you could also mix in some chopped up bacon, some cheese, whatever you want in the mashed potatoes too. That's also really good. I already put a bunch of cheese and stuff in these last night, so I think they're good to go. Pop a little salt and pepper on top of them. Let them cook till they're nice and crispy brown on one side before you flip. Flip them. Do the same. Wait until they're nice crispy brown. You're good to go. Oh yeah. Alright, and when you think the bottoms also have a nice layer on them, yeah, just about, they could go another minute, but plop them onto your plate. There you go. Mashed potato pancakes. Great with breakfast, by themselves. You can dress them with 100 different things. They're gonna be delicious. I hope you enjoy. Try them out. What else are you gonna do with your leftover mashed potatoes? Just eat more mashed potatoes? Nah. Well, yeah, but no. Try these. Thanks for watching. Bye.